What's up guys, this is Caleb here from Srkcycles.com and you're looking at a 2004 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy with only 7,000 miles on it. Guys, this bike is crazy clean. It was a local trade. We know the gentleman that traded it. I mean, this thing is in immaculate condition. There is one flaw and I will point that out. There's a little tiny scuff right there. He literally had the fluids changed like yearly and he only rode it 7,000 miles since 2004. He bought a brand new in 04. He rode it like not even 500 miles a year. Guys, this bike is insanely clean. He had it professionally detailed every season. He had all the fluids changed every season. This bike is in immaculate condition. It has the chrome lowers on it, full chrome front end. This is the big flaw. It was a paint chip. See right there. Not even a big deal, guys. Tires are in excellent condition. It's got steel braided lines. It didn't even have aftermarket grips on it or aftermarket bars on it. He just put steel braided lines on it. This thing is just so freaking nice. It's got a really good tread on the tire on the rear, obviously. Seat is in immaculate condition. Top of the tank, I mean, this has not faded at all. The chrome is in amazing condition. Like I said, 7,938 miles on it. Fires up right away. Guys, like I said, that's the major flaw. That chip on the front fender. This is a quick detach sissy bar. You can pull that off, have you riding solo. Guys, this bike's in amazing condition. Like I said, 2004 Fat Boy with 7,000 miles on it. This bike will not last long. It is crazy clean. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.